Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manawat and I welcome all of you to the series of triangles, and here in this lecture we got a new concept, that is basic proportionality theorem. Very important, very important. ध्यान से समझना, बहुत important है. So basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem or BPT? That is basically if you get a triangle, okay, like ABC, you got a triangle, and you draw another line which is parallel to one of the side of triangle. Let's say PQ. Here PQ is parallel to side BC. Okay, parallel. In that case, PQ divides the other two side into same proportion. What do you mean by same proportion? It means, अच्छा कहाँ कैसे divide कर रहा है? AB को it's intersecting at point P, so AB get divided into what? AP and PB, correct? And the other side where it intersect, the PQ intersects at Q, divides AC in what? AC in what? AQ by QC. So it divides into this ratio and they are into same proportion. That means the ratio of AP upon BP equal to AQ by QC. समझ में आपको? Yeah, shall we try this again? Say you got a triangle, and in a triangle, let's say ABC, you got a line which is parallel to one of the side. So here let's say this is P and this is Q. It divides the other two side into same proportion. So PQ is parallel to AC. It divides the other two side into same proportion. So this will get you what? BP by PA is equal to BQ by QC in the same proportion. Yeah, this PQ is parallel to AC here, that's why the result is different. But whatever is, if you get the side parallel to any side of the triangle, you should be able to understand, you should be able to write this proportion relation. That's why I've given you another example. Okay, this is basic proportionality theorem. Now, whenever you get this condition of basic proportionality theorem, you also get two similar triangles. ये भी ध्यान रखना. You also get two similar triangles. मतलब यहाँ पे if you have, okay, let me see here. Let me show you here itself. So here if PQ is parallel to AC, so यहाँ पे आपको दो triangle देखने मिल रहे हैं. You got BP, you got BPQ, एक तो ये ट्रायंगल है और एक ओरिजिनल बड़ा वाला ट्रायंगल BAC, या सो ट्रायंगल व्हाट BPQ will be similar to जो बड़ा वाला ट्रायंगल है, which is what, starting with the corresponding point, same corresponding point BAC, the triangle BAC. Yeah, so wherever you get this basic proportionality theorem condition, you will also get similar triangle. ये ध्यान रखना, ये similar triangle दो मिलते हैं, ये भी बहुत बार यूज में होता है. Okay, so this is basic proportionality theorem. Again, the questions we will see in the practice sets. All right, so that's what I wanted to explain you here. I hope basic proportionality theorem is easy to understand and you understood that. Yeah, how to prove it equal और ऐसा क्यों होता है उसके डिटेल में जाने की, as I said, is not required. You are going to answer objective exam. You need to there is no step marking, no need to get into details. If it is required to get into details, I will tell you. You need to have that much of faith on me. Yeah. Okay, so this is it for the basic proportionality theorem. I will see you in the next lecture with some practice questions. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep learning. Bye bye.